Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol EKSO. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. I think that's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price and just makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways. Absolutely monster move today, not only from a price action perspective, but if you look down here at the volume, by far the biggest volume this chart has had in quite a while. So quite a few people out there watching this one. So let's map out some levels of support. Then we can talk areas of resistance. The ideal level of support going forward, I mean, if you say, hey, Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? That would be if the price can continue to stay up above $1.90. I use the word continue very deliberately because if you look, you can see that on several occasions today, the bears try to press down through that level, but to give credit where credit's due, the bulls did a great job of holding strong there. So if that can continue to happen, then like I said, that would be a huge sign of power on the bulls' part. Now, taking a step back, looking at the big picture of things, it's really all about the purple line right there, which is the 50-period simple moving average. Keyword there being moving. So as time goes by, that purple line is going to move itself higher and higher. So from the grand scheme of things perspective, as long as the price stays above that purple line, as the line itself moves itself higher and higher, then the bulls are in full control, full health. However you can best visualize that, no questions asked. Now, what about areas of resistance? Initial area of resistance right up here at $2.35, and that's really kind of that initial bridge that needs to be crossed. Needs to be crossed before what? Well, before you start talking about the fund level of resistance. And the fund level of resistance in this case is just simply where the party stopped today, and that's right up there at 265. I'll be the first to admit it is fun to talk about testing previous highs and breaking new highs, and that is where 265 would come into play. However, in many cases, as is the case here, like I said, usually there's an initial bridge that first needs to be crossed. In our case, that first bridge right here, right around the $2.30, $2.35 area. All in all, though, very nice move today. And as long as the price keeps on building higher bases as time unfolds, then this chart is only going to draw in that many more traders. So we'll see how the week goes. Still 4 days left.